Hello everyone, this is Mandeep Reddy. I am from IT department and we have done face recognition project. And normal doors have we can break them easily. We have using keys also we can open the doors, and it is also take some time. So we prefer the face recognition. It can be open in short time.
This is Naveen. Hello everyone, this is Naveen. Now I will explain how the ESP32 get IP address. First go to the Arduino and select the file and go to the preference, and we suggested some videos. We have to download the ESP32 code, we have the link and we paste in the preference, and then go to the example, and next ESP32, next CAM, and next web server. Automatically the code generated. We have to set up the Wi-Fi and password, which is same in the laptop and ESP32. After that, with the serial monitor, we have to click 11,600. And next, automatically the IP address will generate.
Hello everyone, I am Aditya from IT department. Here I am going to tell about the solenoid lock, which has been the part of this experiment. The solenoid lock, first we use power supply from power. It's about 15 volt, and from power supply to the power supply to L293 driver module, and after the driver module it separates the current like that. It sends some amount of current to Arduino UNO and some amount of current to solenoid lock. So that will help the solenoid lock to be stable, and if any voltage problems or high current, low current, it can manage everything. So at last the Arduino UNO will give the power supply to ESP32 CAM, and the L293 driver module gives the current to solenoid lock. The solenoid lock works on the principle of the ESP32 CAM, which we have given in the IP address.
Hello guys, my name is Tara. I am from IT section, and I am going to tell that less time consuming. When normally we use the simple lock where we carry the keys and it takes more time, but in face recognition it can be open easily and it is easy to use for everyone. No physical keys are required in this, so we do not carry any other devices with us, and it is more about the face recognition. We just need our face to open the door lock.
Hello everyone, my name is Avishkar and I'm from IT department. There are so many existing projects like biometric thumb and palm reader and a pin detector too, which can be break easily with the hard object, but they cannot access the before who has been come, and it cannot detect the past whoever has come. It cannot access or keep it with it, but this project can retrieve who has come before, and it can all access the before information too. So it is helpful to everyone to get this one, and very safely too. Bye.
So we conclude that this project of face recognition based on door lock. Here is the CAM, ESP32 CAM, which detect the face and take the pictures and store in the Arduino code. And when we want to enroll first, which is we have Chrome. In that ESP32 we have to connect the Wi-Fi, and then go to the Chrome. ESP32 have the IP address. Then we want to search for the IP address and enroll the face. When a person enrolls this using ESP32 face, and then the other lock automatically open. Whenever a person come, another person come, it cannot open because they will not enroll the face in the ESP32 CAM. So it is very difficult to the thieves and we protect our home by face recognition based on door lock. It is very affordable. It is about 3 to 5K, and for security purpose, it much easier, 3 to 5K. And we want this, we want to put this to the locker and bank. We use in the banks, malls, or